Okay, in my neighborhood here in Texas City, when you are ready to launch, when you're not ready and you're putting your gears up and you're setting up for fishing and people going to the bathroom and you're getting your fishing rod, you park over here. And when you're done, you go over there. There's no repair to be done there. There's no work to be done. It's not like, oh, I got to go to the bathroom. Oh, I got to get my fishing rod. You will take off and go. There is some spots to the left. If you can see that green boat, he is already in the water waiting for a client. It is our turn, so we're going to go ahead and launch it. I'm alone today, so you will learn some techniques maybe. But you probably know it. Okay, the fenders are halfway in the water, and that's why I like to stop. Roger came with us anyway. Okay. The key was that the fender was halfway in the water, and then we launched it. So we're ready to go.